Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on today's video we'll be making the Nigerian fried rice. Yeah, the last time, if you watched my previous video, we made the Nigerian jollof rice, and on this video it will be fried rice. So stay tuned and see the difference between the Nigerian jollof rice and fried rice. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments below, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so we have our bell pepper all chopped. And yeah, this is the red one, the green, the yellow, green beans. This is our carrot, onions, sweet corn, and peas. So this is our rice. It's also already been washed. So let's get in. Okay, so this is our meat stock. We'll be putting our rice in here. This is what we'll be using to cook the rice. It's curry, thyme, maggi, salt, and yeah, we have to leave that in here. So I'll be adding my rice now. So I'll be adding a little curry to get the color. This is our curry. I'll be adding this a little. Even though the one here is not as the one back home. So after you fry for some time, you add your carrots. So we're now adding our pepper. So now we'll be adding
our spices.
So this is what we'll be using. And then I'll be adding a little bit of curry again, and then salt. Yeah, just to add a little more spice to it. So this is salt. Just this step. So this is our rice. We'll now be mixing it with our sauce.
parler.
Même si t'approcher ici, on va voir ça.
Hey.
Oh, Fata. Faut manger doucement.